Hey guys, this is Doc Neo and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. Hit that subscribe button at saka yung bell na katabi niya for notifications para alam niyo pag may bago akong videos na upload. This is just a simple unboxing of a basically simple product. Kasi ngayon, since I bought a new tabletop, yung surface niya, dati kasi hindi ako nagma-mousepad, pero ngayon sobrang naging difficult na, especially when I'm editing, kaya nag-decide akong bumili ng mousepad. And because alam niyo naman before from my previous vlog na nanalo ako ng Red Dragon RGB gaming keyboard at saka mahilig ako sa mga mouse na umiilaw-ilaw. So I decided to buy an RGB enabled mousepad. But don't worry, this is like the cheaper version, yung Red Dragon, or the cheaper options. Kasi yung iba na mas branded, papatak mga 3,000 to 5,000 or even more. Ito, mura lang to. It's 600 pesos. And just for, I know, pero may inspiration kasing dala yung RGB. So, hayaan nyo na ako. And most gamers to understand, iba pag umiilaw-ilaw, diba? So, ayan, let's get to it. So, it comes in a nice packaging. Red Dragon, Orion, Chroma Custom Lighting, gaming mousepad. So ito yung size niya. Oh, hello shoes. Ayan, so ito yung size niya, and let's try to open it. So guys, 1-man team ako and I'm using the DJI Osmo Pocket. Kaya ko to. Ayan, so buksan natin. And the product is there. So what's inside? Sa ilalim? Nope. Wala siyang documentation. Is it here? So guys, of course, as expected, siya? Labas natin, no? So, as expected, it's one hard gadget. Hindi siya flexible like the usual mousepad. So, yeah. And let's remove. See? And there it is, guys. Wonder what this is. Is it a fingerprint sensor? Well, we will see. So, ayan. It's very solid. And siya? Siyang metal parang headboard siya dito. And of course, we have the wire. That's USB-A. So, ayun guys, ang galing kasi kompleto na ng Red Dragon products. My mouse is Red Dragon. This keyboard is also Red Dragon. And ngayon, magkakaroon ako ng mousepad na RGB na Red Dragon. So, let's try to plug it. Okay, for the first time. And there you go. Cool. I don't know if you can see it. Maybe I should turn off the light. Yon. Astig. This is so cool. Diba? Parang forever Christmas dito sa aking workstation. And it works perfectly. There you go. And ang ganda rin ng feel niya. So I like it not just because of its appearance, pero yung texture niya, sarap siyang hawakan. So, ayan. And that RGB will sure give me a bit more inspiration kapag nagtatrabaho or nag-edit, diba? So there you go guys. That's our unboxing of the Red Dragon Orion Chroma Custom Lighting Gaming Mousepad. So again, this is Doc Neo saying be informed, stay inspired, and I'll see you on my next unboxing. Bye-bye!